In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1099-G on TurboTax. If you received unemployment compensation or certain government benefits reported on Form 1099-G, this is where you'll enter that information in TurboTax. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can find the right section quickly and avoid getting stuck. Start by going to the top menu and hovering over Income. This opens the income-related options you'll need for tax entry. From there, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page brings together the major income categories in one place, which makes it easier to jump directly to the form you need. Once you're on the summary page, look for the unemployment section and click it. If you've already visited this area before, you may see a button labeled Revisit. Go ahead and select Revisit to open the unemployment interview again. TurboTax will then ask whether you received unemployment or paid family leave benefits. On that screen, choose Yes, I did. This tells the system that you need to report benefits for the year and continue into the related questions. Next, when TurboTax asks where you got your benefits from, select Government Form 1099-G. That's the option used for unemployment benefits reported by a state or government agency. Choosing the correct source is important because it determines how TurboTax handles the entry. After that, you may see a question asking whether you were required to repay unemployment benefits, which is noted as uncommon. Here, select Yes. Then, on the next screen, when asked whether you paid back any government unemployment from 2024 or earlier, choose Yes again. After that, if TurboTax asks whether you paid back any non-government unemployment from 2024 or earlier, select Yes there as well. Once those responses are entered, click Continue to move forward. At this stage, TurboTax may show a message indicating that you need to be on the deluxe version to continue. If that appears on your screen, you'll need to upgrade before proceeding with this section. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to have your Form 1099-G in front of you before continuing, so you can match the information exactly as it appears. That helps reduce mistakes and keeps your return accurate. Also, make sure you're entering the form in the unemployment area specifically, since that's where TurboTax connects the form to the correct tax treatment. And that's how to get to the 1099-G section in TurboTax and move through the unemployment prompts.